Hello, amazing second graders. Welcome back to another week of reading. We are going to spend another week on poetry, and this week is really fun because we're going to explore a few different types of poems. So today we are going to be exploring acrostic poems. So I'm going to read the poem to you first, actually, and I want you to try and figure out what is unique about this poem. What's different about it than any other type of poem you've seen? All right, so the title of this poem is Nature. Nice and peaceful as you walk around, animals in trees and crawling around, trees and plants everywhere you look. Upsetting is not there at all, raindrops scattered on all the leaves, Earth Sounds by Jordan Nutt. Now look at this poem. What makes this poem unique? Absolutely. The first letter in each sentence or each line spells out a word. N-A-T-U-R-E. This is the word nature. And that's what makes this poem super fun and unique. So you are actually going to get a chance to make a poem just like this of your very own, and it's really fun. All you do is you pick a word, like the word nature, and then for each letter, you need to come up with a sentence that starts with that letter. So like this sentence started with the word nice because N is at the beginning. This sentence, or I should say line, starts with the word animals because it begins with an A. T for trees, U for upsetting, R for rain, E for earth. So I'm going to show you your assignment real quick and then send you on your way. So here's your assignment. The first thing is that you're going to do is you're just going to fill in the blank of this definition. So it says an acrostic poem is a type of poem which the first letter of each line spells out a blank or phrase. So what does each letter at the beginning of the line spell out? You're going to fill in this blank with that word. Then it's your turn. You can use one of the nature words in the box or pick your own. So here's some examples. You do not need to use these if you do not want to. You can pick something else. I just thought I'd give you an idea. So I have the words sun, star, rain, wind, animal, fire, river, and cloud. I'm going to show you an example with the word sun. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to spell it out vertically, which means up and down. All right, so there's my word, sun. Now I'm going to make a line going across. So sun smiles on everyone's face under the rays of light. Nothing is better than the sun. And just like that, I wrote an acoustic poem. Now, for the title, you could come up with something snazzy-dazzy, or you could just title it the word you picked. Sun. And then it is by me, so I'm going to write Mrs. Jarash. And just like that, I have finished an acrostic poem. All right, second grade, I can't wait to read some of your poems. I hope you have an awesome rest of your Monday.